Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this set of videos, we're going to talk about humanitarian reinstatements, when to use them, how they're used, what the advantages are, and what the purpose is. Now, in this introductory video, let me tell you when a humanitarian reinstatement comes into play. Let's say that your father, who becomes a U.S. citizen, petitions you, and the petition was filed back in 1996. And let's say you come from a country where it takes many years for the visa number to become current. Let's say you're a son or a daughter over 21. And let's say that even though it was filed in 1996, for it to become current, so meaning you can actually, process into the U.S. as a lawful permanent resident, let's say it takes, 10, 15 years. And let's say that last year, unfortunately, your father died. What happens is, after all the years of waiting and after it almost becoming current, the petition no longer exists and you have to start over by having somebody else petition you, or you have to find some other way, such as employment, to process into the United States. Well, what a humanitarian reinstatement does is it says, or what the terms are, is for humanitarian reasons, the immigration will reinstate the petition so that essentially it still goes forward even though the petitioner has died. Now there's several rules for this and so forth, but what you need to know is that there is the definite possibility, if it's done properly, that that petition, which you have been waiting, for the last 12, 15 years, is not dead if the reinstatement is approved. And if approved, you go forward as though basically the petitioner was still alive, and you can come in to the United States as if the priority number is still what it was at the time that it was filed. Okay, more on the coming videos.